Hello, welcome back to another video. In this video here, I'm going to be showing you a DIY insect repellent that will last, I don't know, a good month. So, here I'm going to be doing my tent. You can do your clothes, you can do anything. But what you'd want is 10% Permethrin. And all you do is mix 1 ounce of Permethrin to 10 ounces of water. And you spray it on your clothes, wait till it dries, good to go. You can put this on your pups, your horses, your cattle, whatever. It doesn't really matter. Do not put it on cats. You can't put it on cats. But with this stuff on, a 10-to-1 ratio, there's nothing in the woods that will want to even be around you. Mosquitoes, ticks, fleas, mites, anything. It doesn't really matter. And if it's cloth, you spray it, let it dry, you're good to go. No creepy crawlies, you ain't got to worry about them. And I always use distilled water. I don't use the chlorine water. And for this instance, I got a 30-ounce spray bottle and filled up 30 ounces of water. I'll put 3 ounces of Permethrin in it. If I do 10 ounces of water, I'll do 1 ounce of Permethrin. You just got to think 10-to-1. Very simple, very fast, very effective. Thank you for watching.